What's up, everybody? This your boy Keenan. Welcome to Just Felt Like Cooking. I'm about to take one of my favorite items off the Chinese buffet, the honey walnut shrimp, and combine it with one of my favorite things to order out of the taco shop, a chimichanga. I'm about to make a honey walnut shrimp chimichanga. Check it out. So I did a little research online with the help of my wife, Aisha. She definitely helps me out with a lot of things I do behind the scenes and on the camera. She's my camera person and executive producer. So, after looking up a few things, we come to the conclusion we found a recipe that we like. And it entitles condensed milk, salt, there's like a half a teaspoon of salt, different variations of egg mixtures. I'm just going to use the egg whites. That was one that I liked. Turned out pretty good for us. Some cornstarch, of course, that's going to be to batter the shrimp in. Then we got some walnuts. We're not going to candy them. I'm just going to toast them up in a pan, in a dry pan, and get them nice and toasty, release them oils and get them crunchy. And then the honey and then the Japanese mayo. So we're going to combine all this together and make something magical. I'm going to let y'all know how we get it started. So I got these walnuts in a dry skillet, no oil, no nothing. We're just going to toast them up until we start smelling them. Releasing them oils, get them nice and crunchy. You gotta watch them. Don't put them in here and walk away because they will burn really quick. And they get hot because nuts got oils in them. So when you're taking them out the skillet, use precaution. Don't try to grab one and throw it in your mouth to see how they taste. You know, the oils in the nuts will burn you. Do not let the nut oils burn you. I'm going to continue toasting these up, getting ready for these chimichangas. Alright, we've been having these shrimp marinated for about 30 minutes or so. Took them out the egg white mixture we decided to use. Got it going in some cornstarch here. I'm going to drop them in. They ain't going to take too long. These are the smaller shrimp. And the shrimp has its own thermometer. They let you know when they're done. But we're frying. That ain't gonna take too long. Good thing about shrimp, they cook quick. So we got a few in here cooking. I'm gonna knock out the rest. It's about a pound of shrimp. You get the idea. Cook them until they golden brown. Get popped in the face by some oil. Alright, so we're going to let them go. We got it going. We're going to let them cook for a little minute. Flip them. We're going to get the rest of them going. And we're going to get these chimichangas going. Next, I'm going to get that sauce together. And I already toasted up the walnuts, as you've seen earlier. So we're going to get the sauce going. Get the tortillas. Get the rolling. Get the deep frying these honey walnut shrimp chimichangas. Alright, so I'm wrapping up the last of these scrumps. I use the smaller ones. I put them in individually because I don't want the big clumps of shrimp and batter. It takes too long and they might not cook all the way in the middle. I mean, some stuck together like one or two, but other than that, we got nice individual crunchy shrimp that we could layer up in these chimichangas. You know, these bad boys is crunchy. Fry them up in that cornstarch. See how crunchy these bad boys are. Listen to that. Let's see if you can. Yeah. See, that's crunchy. That's what you want. That's what you want right there in your chimichanga. When you're trying to make something crispy, that's what you want. I mean, you don't want to hear like gum sliding together. You want to hear the crunch of the food. Okay. So we finish up these shrimps. I'm gonna get this sauce together and set up my station. Get to rolling this chimichangas. All right, I'm about to whip this sauce up. So, got about a half a cup of this Japanese mayonnaise. Got about 3 tablespoons of this condensed milk. And we're gonna roll about 4 tablespoons of this honey. You can adjust the measurements as you want. This is just what we're using. Works for us. Combine thusly. Getting my Alton Brown on. Let's taste that. It's pretty good. It's pretty good. All right, now I got this sauce whipped up. I'm about to set up the station to roll these chimichangas. Important thing is get everything you need ready. Make sure you got your tortillas, whatever you're gonna use to roll them on, so you don't be moving around trying to grab stuff at the last minute. Nothing's sticking together, nothing's rolling right. You're getting all frustrated. So set up your station before you get started. Yeah. All right, it's time to roll one up. Let's get to rolling up these chimichangas. Full of rice. Little shrimp. Yeah, we ain't missing no shrimp in this bad boy. Some of that sauce we made. Toasted walnuts. Got some cilantro. Some Mexican green onion, the white and the green part. Those who don't know what that is, the Mexican green onion is the one with the bigger bulb at the bottom. Let's get the rolling. Nice tight roll. Tuck your corners. Tuck your corners. There it is. Let's get a few more going and drop them in some oil. About to drop these bad boys in some oil. Check this out. Oh yeah. We're going to let these bad boys get golden brown. Just watch them. Everything in the inside is already cooked. We just cooking up this tortilla on the outside. Get it nice and crispy and golden brown. Let everything come together in the inside. So I already flipped one of these bad boys. So let's flip this other one. Oh yeah. I mean, this is basically like a pan-fried chimichanga. I mean, look at that. Nice golden, crispy. Remember, everything in the middle is already done. We're just cooking this tortilla. All right, we're going to let these keep going. Get these bad boys plated up and let you see the inside of them. Here it is. Finished frying these bad boys up. honey walnut shrimp chimichangas. Deep fried these bad boys up in some canola oil, nice and golden brown. So let's cut one of these jokers open and see what's going on. Most important thing, remember to remove your toothpicks. Okay, remove your toothpicks. It's very important. So let's see what's going on in the inside here. Woo! Oh yeah. Look at that. Sauce, shrimp, rice, cilantro, Mexican green onions, and some walnuts. That's looking good. Let's take a bite. You get everything in order. You get your rice, coming in with the shrimp and the sauce. Perfect balance of walnuts, got that crunch on there because we toasted them first. And then with the veggies, cilantro and green onion, set it off. This is amazing. Alright, this your boy Keenan, closing out another episode of Just Felt Like Cooking. Honey walnut shrimp chimichangas. 1.